Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a new time-lapse of a live stream. This is gonna be a little quick update video, and in the meantime you can watch the time-lapse. I haven't really prepared this video, so it's probably gonna be a lot of rambling, but I will try to keep everything as short and clear as possible. So the channel is about a year old now. This is sort of the anniversary painting that we did. For you guys who have been around for a long time and have seen the first video on the channel, this is one of the quick paintings that I did for that video, and I decided, you know what, the painting isn't, I never really finished it, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna finish that for the 1 year anniversary. So that's what you can see here. It took about 2 hours, I think, something around that, maybe a little bit longer. I quite enjoyed it, and I think it's a good way to see how far we have come with the current skill level and the potential that we have to improve. Because if we continue painting like this for another year, or maybe even paint more, gonna get better and better and better. And that's the goal in the end, to be good at painting and to have fun while doing it. And about it, I want this channel to be more than just about painting. I think I wanted to start focusing it more around art in general, different types of art, different kind of things. I'm still kind of figuring out what I want to do with that and how I want to present that. So if you have any ideas and things that you think are kind of cool, let me know. Maybe we'll do something like art updates. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it, but I want to sort of diversify the content beyond just this digital painting. Of course, I really like it, but I want to do more stuff. That was supposed to be a live stream today, but currently I'm suffering some software issues. My Photoshop doesn't recognize my tablet anymore for some reason. Well, I kind of know why. I messed up a little bit in my system. I tried to fix some programs and other programs broke down. For instance, my tablet driver, but I got it working again. But for some reason now it doesn't properly work in Photoshop. So I'm gonna have to do some more digging there and figuring out how I can fix that. So hopefully we can fix that before Wednesday, and we can just continue with the regular schedule once again. So yeah, that's still a plan. Eventually to do 2 or 3 live streams each week, preferably 3. One on Monday, one on Friday, and one on Wednesday. And the goal is to create a little time-lapse video each week. But these are quite easy. That's just, I have the recording from the live streams, and I just mash them together, do a little bit of editing, but not too much, and usually some music. So that's not too much work. But I want to sort of diversify into more well thought out content. Probably you could call it that. Want to the content in which I work a little bit longer on the videos, some cool stuff here and there. I'm not sure. Maybe sort of combining different things with art. So if you have any ideas, let me know. I was thinking about maybe doing something with games, but I don't know. I don't know if it sort of fits the channel. I like gaming, but I don't know if we can combine that in some way. I mean, I want the channel to be about the stuff that I enjoy and sort of spread that joy with the world and enjoy it together. So yeah, that's sort of the plan, and it's still really rough and not really well thought out. But hopefully in the next year, the coming year, we will figure out what to do exactly with it and do some more stuff with it. But it's sort of a nice little project that's here on the side, and I'm not fully focused on my channel. I have other stuff as well, so um, that's why sometimes I'm not streaming or making a video in time, stuff like that. And I think that's fine for now because the channel is not my main full-time focus right now. If it were, I'd be more consistent, I guess. But it's sort of a on the side thing for now. But maybe in the future, who knows? So yeah, what else do we have to talk about? Not really that much, I guess. Well, there's a bunch of random stuff we could talk about, but yeah, I hope you enjoy the content on the channel. The last few months, it's been a lot of live streams, a lot of videos. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do something on the video side of things, as I said before. But I sort of have to work those things out a little bit better. I want to focus a little bit more on quality rather than quantity, because there's a lot of most of it has been sort of quantity, not that much quality. I kind of want to improve on the quality side of things. So probably scripted videos, things like that. So yeah, that's for the future, I guess. Anything else? Yeah, but I'm gonna try to fix my system. I might have to upgrade to new version of Photoshop, but I also got issues in Coral Painter. I tried to stream. I thought, you know what, if Photoshop doesn't work, I'm gonna stream in Painter, Coral Painter Essentials that came with my tablet, but didn't work for some reason. So I decided to uh, to just stop and see if I can fix it in the coming days. There's a couple of tricks I can do still to try to make it work. So hopefully one of them will work, and nothing else. I don't know. We'll see. But maybe I will upgrade to a newer version of Photoshop. That's gonna be interesting because this version is like 10 years old at least. So yeah, it's really old. So it might be time to move on to newer stuff. About that, I said things about art and different things. I might try to dabble a little bit into 3D and do some stuff with that. Maybe incorporate it in my paintings. But yeah, but maybe we'll do a little bit more with it. We'll see. But for now, thanks for watching. It was a lot of rambling as usual. I'm sorry for that, but I kind of like it. I kind of like to ramble, so I probably have to do something with that as well. Maybe some podcast type of thing. I don't know. I'd like to have a podcast, but not just about art, just basically about everything. But for now, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, this little time lapse. If you did, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Wow, that was difficult. If you want to see more in the future. Bye.